When a problem is identified, the solution is near. In this video, I would like to identify some problems or challenges the studying of Yoruba religion is facing. As you all know that Yoruba religion is the traditional religion and spiritual concept and practice of the Yoruba people. Yoruba religious beliefs are combinations of histories, stories, and other cultural concepts which make up the Yoruba society. But there are challenges in studying and understanding the concept of this religion by this present generation. So, here are the challenges one might be facing in studying Yoruba myths or religion, as you may wish to call it. Firstly, the majority of the Yoruba religion oral literature is not available in print, that is, not written down. They are memorized and retained mainly in people's mind. On a daily basis, Yoruba religion priests or spiritual leaders recollect part of the myths and the information needed in the form of incantations as they meet with themselves, maybe during a festival or thereabouts. The Yoruba religion has not got the same documentation stage of the Western and Eastern religions, where religious materials had become scriptures. In the foreign religions, it is easier to compare scriptures with scriptures and to work with the original languages of the text than working with oral literature. In our present generation, people rely on written materials than oral evidence. Another challenge Yoruba are facing in understanding with the Yoruba religion oral literature, according to a research, is the climatic and human factors on the available field materials. What do I mean? The West African communities regularly experienced flood, humidity, and dry weather, which had destroyed the majority of materials that were available for a research, and as well, some of the materials were stolen. I hope you understand what I mean by stolen. The leftover materials that are available are being looted by local people and being sold to foreigners in the past. In the past, during the advent of foreign religions, some of our traditional artwork were collected, labeled as idols, that is, evil, and later burned. Thanks for watching.